Hi at a TSB Tuesday. This one is brand new, posted just the other day, July 21st. And this one is covered under warranty, so I want to bring this to your attention right away. Basically, if you have a 2019 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma double cab, it seems to be the only one that's affected, and you've got a whining noise in the rear of the vehicle, right around 50 miles an hour, whether you're accelerating or decelerating, and it's sort of reverberating throughout the vehicle, this is actually covered under warranty. You can also look up this TSB number, T-SB-0045-23. Maybe if you're out of warranty, then you can actually do it yourself. It looks pretty straightforward. You can see here, they've got this little dynamic damper, and all they're gonna be doing is installing that between the differential and the body, basically, so that you will not feel it. And this TSB is actually really awesome. It just goes through how to do everything, so you can see how to get to it. And if you scroll down just a little bit more, there we go. There's the truck, and look, there's a little damper, and there's another picture of the little damper.